In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to add transparent gradient background in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So here we are in PowerDirector, and in here is that first let's add some gradient background. So you want to navigate here into media on the top left. Now in here is that you want to click here on color boards. And this is where you could see the gradient color. So you want to click on that, and then you would now be able to see some gradient background designs that you could choose from. So for example, I'm going to choose this one right here. So just a simple blue and black gradient, as you can see right there. So I just dragged it into my timeline, and it's now imported. So in here is that you could make this transparent by messing with the opacity. So basically, just double click on your gradient in here and click here on change color, or you could also do it here in the opacity if you don't want to, right there. As you can see, you could make it less transparent, but still, you're still getting that nice gradient effect. And you could also go here into change color, and then you could change the direction of the gradient. So this could also affect your opacity. As you can see, if I lower the opacity for this and I would change the direction, it could also change on what is the look of the video. So this is also important. And from here, if you don't want to change the color, you can just do so right here, change the color. Let's say I want to make it a red now. And as you can see, it is now turned into that color. So yeah, that is basically it. But if you would want custom transparency, then you would be able to do that by double clicking here on gradient and going into mask. And now you could just go for the mask and just make sure to feather it a lot. So you want to go here into the mask section and go into advanced. And now in here is that you would want to go into custom, and this is where you could do some custom masking for the gradient colors. So you could go for the brush, the polygon, image, text, and so on right here. So yeah, basically it's a more complex process, but if that is a look that you are trying to achieve, then this is the only way to do it. So yeah, this is basically it for this video on how you'd be able to do this on PowerDirector. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.